Hi, my name is Allan Evans. I'm here with Scott Wright. We both recently graduated with our PhDs in electrical engineering from the University of Michigan. I'm here to talk to you about something we've done recently. We've started a nonprofit company called GlobeShares. What is GlobeShares? Well, GlobeShares is an organization that connects people who want to travel with charitable opportunities in each of these various places where they want to go. And I'm sure you know somebody who's wanted to travel for 6 months, 9 months, maybe see what the world looks like. We've known people who've wanted to travel and have traveled for extended periods of time and really wanted to get to know various elements of cultures. And we started thinking, okay, we want to travel. We want to get to know various places, but we don't really think that's the right way to do it. We wanted to do charity work. We wanted to get out there and get involved, do good where we were at, and do it in various places as we were traveling around, sort of like Peace Corps for travelers.
Additionally, we felt that while, yes, we could just go and volunteer in several different organizations, having an umbrella organization with a central website and ability to both raise money for numerous volunteers and distribute it to many projects would be advantageous.
So GlobeShares really is set out to help out 3 different groups of people. First, we want to help out people who want to travel. Second, we want to help out local organizations in various depressed parts of the world. And lastly, we really want to help out people who want to donate to charity. We want to help out travelers in a couple of different ways. First, we want to connect people with various organizations where they can do charity work so they can really get into the local culture. Second, we want to act as this umbrella organization. So instead of coming back after a year and trying to reintegrate into society and saying, oh, I went and worked here, I went and worked here, I went and worked here, and trying to string that all together. Instead, you worked as a volunteer for GlobeShares for the whole year, and you also have like this emergency point of contact and people to help with your scheduling.
Different travelers will have an itinerary of places they would like to travel to. GlobeShares can help find them opportunities that they can volunteer in and provide the travelers and volunteers a way to make money that they can use on the specific projects.
We want to help local organizations, and we want to do this by providing them with people that are needed. For example, we wanted to go to rural Thailand. We really wanted to see what Southeast Asia looks like, and there's an organization that needs English teachers. And so we've connected with them as a partner, and we'll be going there to help teach 5th grade English. Also, in Cairo, there are Sudanese refugees, and there's a real need for people to come in and really help teach school in English for math and sciences for Sudanese refugees. And we've connected labor with an opportunity there. And in Peru, an earthquake devastated Pisco a few years ago, and they need people to come in and really try to help rebuild it with basic, mechanical skills. And we've connected there, and we're going to bring labor into there.
One of the projects that GlobeShares and I have been involved in is DAPSEP, the Detroit Area Pre-College Engineering Program. The project involved bringing children from Detroit schools to the University of Michigan over the course of 5 weekends. They were taught about microscale technologies, and they worked on projects in small groups concerning the construction of devices and robots that had to deal with microscale technologies. NanoCamp is another project that both GlobeShares and the University of Michigan is involved with, and it's hosted by the National Infrastructure Nanotechnology Network, which is a nationwide network of schools working on microscale fabrication techniques.
When we mean global generosity, we don't just mean international, we also mean domestic. We help our donors out quite a bit by giving them the biggest bang for their buck. Our travelers are paying for themselves to volunteer to be where they're at. Our administrative staff is all volunteer run, so every dollar we get, almost that entire dollar goes directly through, and our finances are all online with complete breakdowns of what we spend where, with photographs and blogs, so you know exactly where your money is going, and we think that's really important for donors to charity. So I guess a quick recap, we were sort of looking for the right opportunity to travel and do good work various places. We started up a company, and we really tried to start it up the right way. We wanted to benefit every party as much as possible. So we're benefiting the volunteers by lining up sort of charity work so they can get their hands really into the cultures where they want to travel. We're benefiting the local organizations by providing them with both labor and money that we know they need because they're our partner organizations. And we're benefiting our donors by giving them sort of a personalized charity that they can follow and also really giving them the biggest bang for their buck. We understand that traveling is not sort of a life mission, but it's rather an experience that we expect people to undertake. We want to go for a year. We don't want to go for life, but we want to help everybody who wants to go travel for a period of time travel. But we plan on continuing to run this program to really, and we want to grow it. We want everybody who wants to travel and to do charity work to be able to do that as efficiently as possible. So if you're interested in traveling, or if you're interested in helping contribute, or hey, if you're just curious and you want to check out the stories that are going on, check out our website, look us up and let us know what you think. Thanks.